5 seconds. Start. Sir, what is the use of talking about welfare when we are not even able to implement any suggestions given by the safety organizations? There should be trained personnel officers in each area with competence for establishing rapport with the minors and also to see that proper benefits of legislation and funds allotted go to the beneficiaries. They can also look after other problems. Sir, there are a number of problems like absenteeism. That is a big problem and it could be reduced by provision of better housing and habitat and better medical and health facilities, about which mention has been made. Not only that, the public sector employers should look after the welfare of the workers. They should take them in participative confidence for planning and work programs. Only then the productivity can be improved and it can be zoomed up. The production of coal and but this increase should be at the cost of the life of the mines by way of slaughter mining. The production should register a galloping increase but only by enhancing the productivity. There is a general feeling about the over reporting of the production. The ministry should take active steps to discourage this practice, which has considerably increased in the last 5 years. Sir, the ministry has a consultative committee of members of parliament. That committee may be divided into 2 subcommittees and 1 subcommittee may especially deal with coal mines and from time to time visit different areas and see for themselves how actually the laborers are being dealt with. Here, I would like to advise the concerned ministry to take the assistance of the other ministries such as education, which has got branches like social welfare and adult education and information and broadcasting, which can come in with documentaries to help them, and also the Ministry of Health and such other ministries, so that the funds allocated in other areas of administration can also be properly utilized to help these people. Now, it is time for us to see that when these people are living and dying as coal miners, their children are not subjected to the same type of work in the coal mines again. That means a laborer will beget a laborer, and the other people above them, as has already been mentioned by my honorable friends, will be living a life of luxury and spending their money in luxury in five-star hotels and other things. So, we should see whether in reasonable areas housing can be provided to them. The HUDCO can be asked to augment housing so that these miners and mine workers can have their own houses either in their own place or nearby. A satellite town can be developed. So, with the help of the self financing scheme of HUDCO, they can get a plot of land and build their own houses, or houses can be built and given to them on hire purchase basis. Full stop.